I'm going to start backwards and show saving the results of a finished test. This is the main screen on the primary tester. This is going to be your loopback tester. This is what it looks like after the test is completed. It'll show check marks. It shows what all these mean over here. You've got throughput, latency, frame loss, and back-to-back are what I ran on this. So they're all completed. During this test process, you can do a quick go back to configure, test, and review different buttons across there from that menu up here, and you can rerun the test. But we are going to end test right here, and we're going to create a report. We're going to name that report with, you have customer name, technical ID, test location, work order, and comments. So once you put those in, you can also create a label or a logo. Hit next. Here we go. Here's the file name. Select the path of the file name. It shows it's going into user BERT reports file right now. And we're going to create a report, but to look at that, so let's create it first. There, it actually comes up. This is what it's going to look like. And we can go next. Stylus is not cooperating down here at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to try to calibrate this screen. So you can exit the test. So we're going to exit the test for now. Then we're going to go exit to results. This is your primary screen. Okay, back at the report. And as a side note, it appears that if you use a USB drive for a software update, it will no longer recognize in a machine. So I'm on my fourth USB, one that I did not use yesterday for software, and it is now recognizing it. You'll see the USB stick up here, and if you hit removable storage, it'll show it in there. If you've got a USB in and it shows no device detected, then you know you have an issue with that. So we're going to go into Files. Under Files, we're already under BERT, then Reports. And then we can hit Date Modified. I did change the time. I realized that it was off from AM to PM on both devices. So here we have our PDF version and our RAW formats. So we can select it, copy it, without hitting any. Hit that up there in that corner, it goes to time. Okay, after an extended period of time of not getting anything to work, I finally figured out how to transfer files to a USB. So we're gonna go to Files. Actually, I'm just gonna go out here quick and eject this properly, even though there's some controversy on that. So we're gonna start by inserting it. Going to show up there. Now we're going to go to Files. So we know we're under BERT Reports, and they're up here. So you select the file, you hit copy, then you go to the bottom of the screen, find the USB flash, and you paste it. That is how we get files onto the USB. Or if you want, even to clear things up, you can go to, say that reports. You can go to multiple or just select all, copy. And it'll paste everything in that file, so that if you want to then go back and delete and clean up folders, you have to transfer them the same as you did in the 2000, just a different process of where they're at on the screen.